Test. Okay, we're back. I'm not doing a live stream because I don't know if I have enough time for that. Our Nintendo Switch, which we replaced the charging port because we had broken pins. This pin was shorting out V in, and yeah, console isn't charging and it's not turning on. So it seemed it was turning on, but maybe that was just a glitch. It doesn't turn on anymore. So yeah, I've looked a little bit in the internet and found a little bit of useful stuff, and yeah, but well, as I say, I don't want to replace blindly stuff, and yeah, I did make some visual inspections on the back side. I couldn't find anything, and yeah, one thing I also did was no, something different, doesn't matter. What I want to try, which I did wrong, is I want to see if I have on this pin number 5, which is, what is pin number 5? VCCIN? Yeah. If we turn or push the power button. So connect to the power button. I have a battery here from the other switch, which I charged so that we can turn it on. Connected, yes, good. Maybe no. Okay. Then I can take my multimeter and in volt mode. And if we push the power button, then this line, which seems very short, very low in resistance, should come up. Okay, I have my probes here connected. And then you won't see that, but I have to switch that you can see the multimeter. Now I will push the power button and we get 2.9 volts. And the other pin number 6, which is negotiating with the other one, that's 3.3. What I read, it said 3 to 5 volts should be. We have 2.9. That's less than 10%, so that should be okay. Good. So a short time I thought this is shorted, but it isn't, so yeah. What I have also not done is going into diode mode and checking all of the capacitors around here. Maybe I find a different one, so let me do that. 0.36, 0.5. If I get the signal, I don't have to check the other side because the other side will always be ground, even if it's broken. Also, this tube works. 3.36. 0.0083 is kind of low, but it seems like it's pulled down. It should be okay. 0.35, 0.1, 0.35, nothing, ground. Okay, that is low. 0.5, 0.6, 0.68. So this one gives us a 0.018. Is this now a short? That's lower than the one before. So that's something which, if that's not going directly to the CPU, then 0.0018, say 0.02. Okay, so now we gotta reopen that pinout. I have it somewhere. Pinout. So this is pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pin number 6 on the last side. So we have 31, 32, 36 VCon bolt connection in. Okay. What is bolt connection in? Something what I'm a little bit missing here in the circuit of, I mean, there's a lot of stuff to find, and let me show you something you should also definitely check out for console repairs. Where is it? The site which is called retro6.wiki. Yeah, retro6.wiki. There's a lot of useful information here. A lot of consoles, you can see that. Here we have a list of consoles. A lot of nice, detailed, a lot of information, testing, and stuff. Okay. That's not what we wanted. Yeah. Well, I don't know where this is. Jesus. Leaning goal to the goal. Where is it coming from? I don't know. Where the hell, how the hell should I know that? V connection in. Maybe this comes from somewhere. We know there are connections coming here. You know what? A pin out of the connector itself would be interesting. Let me see if I can find one. Here you see, no, here, VCon. So we have a VCon connector here, which goes probably to the M92. It also negotiates when the power isn't right, between 5 and 15 volts, it shuts off. So there is no power through. It communicates with the charger and says, no, you're not coming inside. Will this help us in any other way? I don't know. So I'm sure there is any converter or something which, so these are for the charging circuit. That's not it. That goes further into the chip, but that is uninteresting. We made all the diode mode reading, all of these look okay. Here we have another one. I don't know what this is. Interesting would be if we connect power to see is there coming anything inside or outside. Probably a signal which we can measure. Can be. Nothing. Ground. Nothing, 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 nothing. 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 Okay. Let's go back to diode mode readings. Keep it simple. Diode mode reading. We're just taking some diode mode readings. Okay. 0018. That is what we have on this side. It's probably a feedback line. 1.1. Round, no, open. 0.5. Nothing. Nothing. Ground. 0.5. Okay, so it looks like we have the connector is coming here to that converter and comes here and goes inside here. So what's the problem? I don't know. You know what? I'm going to inject voltage. We have a short. Well, I think it's a short. Is it short? Maybe that's also pulled down completely. But nah. No. I have wires here. I have a bunch of wires. This is a very fat wire. This is ground. And we have a big, well, it's not big, but it's actually very tiny. A smaller wire would be great. But yeah, let's just connect it. So we will inject voltage. That's VIN. Well, I don't know how much VIN is taking, but we have a no-good board, so let me check that first. I want to know how much VIN is taking. Yeah, I want to know. Let's measure how much VIN is taking. Let's go here. Nothing. Well, I should go to DC mode. 1.5 volts. There's something happening. And here, 1.5 volts. The other side also 1.5. Good. This is a communication here, resistor, yes, feedback, okay, then you can pass through, you can go over here. This is going over here to here, 1.5, then to a transistor, and nothing. Why nothing? This is, I don't know what it is. Going inside here or coming out of here. It could also be possible that it comes here and then goes into there. Good. Once more, I want to know. I know it's useless, but let's just do it. Connect a no-good battery. It's Mojo. It's urgent. It's today. Yeah, what am I doing? The battery issue. Well, it's also a battery issue, but that doesn't help. The power is coming from the, you know? Okay, we can try. But the power is coming from the USB cable and we have no power. Okay, let's try it anyway. But I don't think that we have anything here on that line. Even if, let's just do it. Confirmation. Okay, volt mode, battery is connected and charger. Oh, we have 1 point. Yeah, well, it's the wrong console. Interesting. What am I doing? Here we are. So, battery. Lage. That was. Warte eine Sekunde. No. Yes. So we went a little bit higher because there's not much happening here. And who knows, maybe it isn't a short. .1. Okay. There seems 5. Okay, on this side, near the audio chip, it's the ENF. Is that USB thing? Why are you getting hot? Let's pour some alcohol into this area. Turn the power supply on. Nothing's happening. I swear I saw something. It disappeared. It magically disappeared. Maybe we should go up more. That can't be a short. It is so low. That is so low. That's probably my... I think I should start replacing blindly parts because Nothing is really happening here. Let's pour some alcohol in this area. There's nothing short. It's the exact same spot. No? 2 amps, 5 volts. I think the only thing that's getting warm is the M92. 60 degrees. Nah, come on. Come on. I'm taking out the M92. So, conclusion, nothing to find, which makes me almost cry. Let's put that on just for now. Not a short, that's just trying to make me crazy. You are trying to bring me to the max. So what we're gonna do now, we are changing the max chip, the M92. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Let's check again if there is any difference in that capacitor. It's not that low anymore. Yeah, and also the other side, which was also kind of low, 0.08, and here we have 0.05. Okay. Taking this out directly from here, because I'm a bunch of wild men. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you all in your fucking way of standing around useless. I took this chip already once off, so there's no need to wait that long. Surface tension. Good. We'll try to boot this without the M92 chip. I think that will work. So now you bastard. You overwhelmingly bastard. So here is the point where the arrow points at. The orientation and just put it right back. I'm not cleaning or fucking around. I tend to fuck around. Maybe a little bit of the ground pad. Second. Just a little bit. New chip, new lock. I found something which I do not want to. A ball of steel. Good. Okay. Oi. No. Yeah. You don't know what you're doing, just don't do it. There's a problem with my tweezers. It's not me, it's the tweezer. So let's try to push in the middle. Palm rested. Yeah, that should do. Sick of being a part of a cosmic joke. No bridging. No bridging. Whoop. Ui, ugly. Ugly gunky gunk. Cool down. In the meanwhile, we're cleaning everything. Clean towel. Good. Ah, what does that look like? Beauty, nice. So let's just check those two caps with their strange values. Diode mode. Are we recording? 50 minutes. 3 hours. We went up. Now we have 0.4. And we were at 0.08. Yeah. Check the other pin. 0.5. That easy. It was all the time. Well, we don't know if it's working, so let me show you that. So that you see that I'm not just talking anything. So, pin number 5 has 0.42. And then pin number 36 was also nearly to ground, 0.5. What a pain. So what does that tell us? Does that tell us that the device will now boot? Maybe. Maybe yes, maybe no. Marlboro. Yes, no Marlboro. Don't smoke. It's not good for your health. Smoke weed. I'm not smoking weed. Good. I'm trying to get the board in. That is always a big struggle. Here's some pads, here's some AC connections. Connect the screen. Bend it over and carefully aligned. Push it in. Connect the power button. We don't need, but if we can, let's just do it. And the battery connector. Now we shall be able to, I don't know, charge it, turn it on. Okay. Moment of truth. Let's just see what's happening. It's switching around because the battery is very low. Oh my god, I can't believe. I cannot believe. So, VCCIN, and let's have a look again. Let's just have a quick look. Where is my monitor? Let's have a quick look at the chip. It's gone. Here it is. Can you see that? Yes, you can. Okay, pin number 5, VCCIN, was instead of point, which we have now diode mode reading 0.42, and we had 0.08. Yeah. Pin 36, which is V connection in. There's inputs, they're all both inputs, not outputs, they're inputs. So there was an internal fault, internal short was pulled down. We had an internal short on the M92. This one was before 0.018, almost a dead short. And then we have 0.5 in diode mode readings. So these two connectors. VCCIN. So VCCIN comes from that special path. No, VCCIN we know. That's the main volt line. Which is, but it's going, V connection in is going to that MOSFET. Or it's a converter, DC in converter. I think, not sure about it, correct me if I'm wrong, goes into there and then it goes out again to the chip, and inside the chip it's gonna get pulled down and dead. Okay, let's see if we can turn the machine on with we know it's charging now. Can we turn it on with a loaded battery? I hate it. That's something I didn't think about. If it's an outgoing signal or line, then okay, but I was kind of, no, it's going in. Why should it be inside short? Of course, it can move from there to there. If a short here, then you have a short there. We know how short works, I think. Do we? Let's turn it around. Oi. Try to turn it on. Well, of course it will not turn on. Why should we turn on? We fixed the charging issue, but battery even connected. I'm not seeing anything. Of course it is connected. Power button is also connected. But you are charging, right? $14.8. We're charging, but we have no picture. Do we have a faulty screen? I don't know, because I don't know. Good. Let's see if we can this device on without the M92 chip. Theoretically, is that something I should do? No, that's my test board. I'm not destroying it. Okay, what's the other fault? So M90, the BQ chip is okay because we're charging. What is that? It's the fan. What is that? Backlight. You son of a gun. Now I remember. I think this is backlight. I think this is backlight. Will he be able to connect that FPC connector in the next 25 years? Maybe. I don't know. Oh, sorry, this is important. Test. Test. See that? How stupid can one human be? Yeah. If you don't connect backlight, you won't see anything on the screen. And we booted up fully with that little bit flat battery, pretty fast, so the battery is in a good condition. And you have a working console. Okay, as I said, let's wrap this up. All together at the end, what have we had? We had a charging port, which has pin number 5, which is VCCIN, shorted to ground, bent over. It was already broken, but it looked like it was shorting to ground. And this looks like this has destroyed the M92 chip, which had on the VCCIN capacitor, which is talking to the power good. Yeah, are we letting power through? The charger, yes, no, maybe, was very low resistance. And the other side, the V connection in was almost grounded, so low, 0.18 in diode mode. And yeah, and I didn't think about it reversed. You know, if you have a short here and there, of course the short can come from the inside out, even if it's not it's an input line, not output line. But if you have a short on an input line, yeah, it's possible. Then yeah, a little bit of stupid thinking. And as I said from the beginning, if you watch the live stream, which I made yesterday, or whenever you want to watch this video, we did. I lost what did I wanted to say? My guess was always the M92, but yeah, I was playing 1.5 hours around and didn't came to a well, the conclusion was there is something short inside, but I couldn't confirm it as the way I wanted to, so I kind of blindly replaced the M92, but it was it. And we have a working console now. Touch isn't working because touch isn't connected. Yeah, we fixed it, and that's what we wanted. So I hope you enjoyed this Odyssey, and thank you for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. Goodbye. See you next time.